The senator representing Anambra South in the Senate, Senator Nwachukwu, says Governor Soludo has justified the mandate given to him by Anambra by recording extraordinary performance in office in the last 4 years. ABS correspondent Emeka Modelim has more details.
Speaking to journalists at International Convention Center after interdenominational service held for Governor Soludo's second term swearing-in, the senator expressed joy that Governor Soludo has provided Anambra residents with very authentic and impactful leadership by performing exceedingly well in the areas of infrastructure, health, education, human capital development, among others. Senator Nwachukwu observed that Governor Soludo has restored value system in Anambra State by eliminating get-rich-quick syndrome in the state and chasing away fake native doctors and pastors out of the state.
Mr. Governor, Professor Charles Soludo has done it in the IT sector, in the women development sector, in the youth empowerment sector. Most importantly is the value reorientation. Also, Soludo, nothing can be better than that.
On her part, the Commissioner for Economic Planning and Budget, Chiamaka Nnake, disclosed that Governor Soludo has achieved the goals he set for Anambra from the inception of his administration through the 5 pillars of transformation, namely security, law and order, infrastructure and economic transformation, human capital development and social agenda, governance, rule of law and the value system, environment and urban degeneration.
The governor will say we ain't seen nothing yet. It's actually like scaling all the things that we've had to do. So everything is already in the pipeline. I think he's just trying to monitor to ensure that most of these things come to fruition. So Anambra, I think we'll say that the next 8 years, Professor Charles Soludo will be the best that Anambra State has seen.
In Oka, Chukwuemeka Modelim, ABS News.